everyone. I am Ruchi Jain, the founder member of Scholars Institute, having branches at Delhi and Gurgaon. Yesterday, one of my students of class 10th asked me a very beautiful question. The question is connected with geometry field of mathematics. It's a very nice question. Let me share it with you all. Kindly go through the question carefully and then I will suggest the answer. Let's first understand what is the question all about. It is given that parallelogram ABCD, all sides are equal. Also given that one diagonal, I have assumed it to be AC, is equal to the side of the parallelogram. Now what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find ratio of the diagonals, that is BD is to AC is equal to root 3 is to 1. Let me first make the figure for you. Suppose this is the parallelogram ABCD in which all sides are equal, and this is the diagonal which is also equal to the side. Let us assume that all these sides are x units. So let's write this out. Since it is given that all sides of parallelogram ABCD are equal, therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Let all be equal to x units. Also, AC is equal to side. This is also given to us. Therefore, AC would also be x units. What do we call a parallelogram whose all sides are equal? Guess what? Absolutely right you are. It is a rhombus. What do you know about the properties of diagonals of a rhombus? BD. Let both these diagonals intersect at O. So, what are the properties of diagonals? We know that diagonals of rhombus, before that let's write, since all sides are equal, therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Then we can write, we know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. This word is very important. Bisect each other at 90 degree. This is also an important word. Okay, we'll work upon in this question. Our main focus is on these two results. They bisect and they are 90 degree. So if the diagonals bisect, that means AO is equal to OC. When AC is x, then what will be the value of OC? AC is x, so AO would be half of AC. That means it is x by 2. Similarly, OD is half of BD. Let us suppose that BD is y. So what will be OD? This will be y by 2. Let us write this out. Therefore, AO is equal to OC is equal to half of AC. That means half of x. Similarly, BDO is equal to BO is equal to half of BD. Let it be half of y. Let us assume that BD is y units. Now, we also know that the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So this angle, pay attention, this angle is 90 degree. Angle DOC is equal to 90 degree. Now let us look at this particular triangle. Let me make the figure of this triangle here. This is O, this is 90 degree, this is C, this is D. This is x by 2, this is y by 2 and this is x. This is a right angle triangle. So in triangle DOC, and what is so special about a right angle triangle? The speciality of a right angle triangle is its Pythagoras theorem. Right you are. So in triangle DOC, using Pythagoras theorem. And what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Which is hypotenuse? The angle side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So can I say hypotenuse is DC square is equal to OC square plus OD square? Let's put the values. X square, OC is x by 2 square and OD is y by 2 square. Let's open these brackets and solve it further. This would be x square is equal to x square by 4 plus y square by 4. Let us take the LCM. X square is equal to x square plus y square upon 4. Now let's take 4 to this side. Let me solve it here. That would become 4x square is equal to x square plus y square. Let us take x variable on the same side. Let's solve it. 4x square minus x square will be 3x square is equal to y square. So what will be the value of y? If there is a square and we go to that side, that means it's root 3x square. That makes y is equal to, x will come out because there is a pair and root 3 will be there. So now what do we get? We get y upon x is equal to root 3, or we can say y upon x is equal to root 3 upon 1. Let us substitute the value of y and x. So y was equal to BD upon, and x was AC. If I talk in terms of diagonals, y is BD, x is AC. So BD upon AC is root 3 by 1. This is, we are supposed to prove that BD is to AC is equal to root 3 is to 1. We've got the answer. In the end, you can say hence proved, and it is so satisfying. If you have any query concerned with mathematics of class 9th and 10th, you can put it in the comment box. I will definitely love to help you out. I'll try to solve this and make a video on that. Hope you have liked the video, so I request you to share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Till the next video, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.